Today we're looking at part number TPU023464, the 7,000 pound self-adjusting electric trailer brake assembly, the driver's side or left-hand side, 12 by 2. It comes boxed as retail packaging, so for all y'all people out there with stores that want to resell them, makes it real easy, barcoded, ready to go. And here it is right here. 12 by 2 brakes on it, self-adjusting. Makes it really easy for maintenance. It has the 5-hole flange on it, brake magnet, backing plate, ready to go. These work with all brand axles: Dexter, Lippert, Carter, Rockwell, Alco, Hayes. Any 7,000 pound, 6,000 pound, or 5,200 pound axle. It doesn't matter what brand it is because they're all interchangeable. And this baby even works with 8,000 pound axles sometimes. But not the true 8,000 pound axles that have the 12 and a quarter by 3.5 inch brakes on them, but actually the hybrid 8Ks that have the 12 by 2 brakes on them. So this brake assembly works with a wide variety of axles. You don't have to be brand specific because they all work for any brand. Rule of thumb is pretty much 7,000 pound and down in axle capacity wise. You don't have to worry about what brand the axle is because everything is fully interchangeable. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or you can stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. And for all you guys, manufacturers and wholesalers, retailers, give us a call because we have some great programs. Thanks.